In this video, we listed the 5 best air fryers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. COSORI Air Fryer. This air fryer boasts a 6.0 quart capacity and is designed with versatility in mind, offering 9 cooking functions, 5 fan speeds, and 4 turbo modes. It includes a wide temperature range from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and features an upgraded crisper plate with denser small holes for enhanced cooking. Additionally, it operates quietly with a soft start feature. The product dimensions are 14.4 inches in diameter, 11.8 inches in width, and 11.9 inches in height, colored in dark gray with a non-stick material. It emphasizes health-conscious cooking with balanced nutrition, supported by over 100 in-app recipes tailored for fitness goals, detailing calorie, carb, protein, and fat content. Ideal for those seeking healthier cooking alternatives, it promises crispy textures with up to 95% less oil compared to traditional frying methods. Number 2. Ninja DZ201 Air Fryer. The featured product is a programmable XL air fryer designed for efficient cooking with its dual-zone technology, allowing 2 different foods to be cooked simultaneously in separate 4-quart compartments. This eliminates the need for sequential cooking typical of single-basket air fryers. It offers 6-in-1 functionality including air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate options, providing versatility in meal preparation. The stainless steel unit measures 13.86 inches in depth, 15.63 inches in width, and 12.4 inches in height, sporting a sleek gray color. It boasts an 8-quart capacity, accommodating substantial portions of food such as up to 4 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. The appliance promotes healthier cooking with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods, verified against deep-fried French fries. Additionally, it features easy-to-clean components including dishwasher-safe baskets and crisper plates, ensuring convenience in maintenance. Number 3. Ninja Air Fryer Pro. The Ninja Air Fryer offers versatile cooking capabilities with its 4-in-1 functionality, air frying, roasting, reheating, and dehydrating. Featuring air crisp technology, it utilizes 400 superheated air to achieve crispy, flavorful results with minimal oil, making it ideal for guilt-free fried foods that are up to 75% less fat than traditional methods. Its 5-quart non-stick basket and crisper plate accommodate large quantities, fitting up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings. Designed to save space on countertops, this air fryer is easy to clean with its non-stick components. Included with the fryer are chef-inspired recipe book and cooking charts to enhance culinary creativity. Number 4. Cuisinart Air Fryer Oven. The stainless steel and black 6QT air fryer offers a versatile cooking solution with a spacious 6-quart capacity suitable for family-sized meals or gatherings. Priced at $149.95, it features multiple cooking functions including air fry, roast, bake, broil, and keep warm, providing flexibility to prepare a variety of dishes. The appliance boasts 1,800 watts of power and adjustable temperature control up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for precise cooking, ensuring optimal crispiness and browning. It includes a digital display with 5 easy presets for simplified operation, complemented by a timer with automatic keep warm function for added convenience. The unit's dimensions are 12-inch dx 16.5, wx 12.25h, and it is made from stainless steel and black plastic, combining durability with modern design. Number 5. Instant Vortex Plus 6QT XL. The Vortex Plus is a versatile kitchen appliance designed with programmable features, measuring 12.36 inches in diameter, 14.92 inches in width, and 12.83 inches in height, featuring a sleek Vortex Plus color and constructed from durable stainless steel. It boasts 6-in-1 functionality, allowing users to air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat with ease. The appliance incorporates even crisp technology, ensuring a perfect golden finish and tender results by circulating air top-down. It offers one-touch smart programs for various dishes like wings, roasted veggies, and cookies, promising fast preheating and a wide temperature range from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for gourmet meals. Cleanup is convenient with its non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray. Compact in design with stainless steel accents, it combines functionality and style, making it suitable for countertop use. Additionally, it includes access to the Instant Brands Connect app for discovering new recipes and preparing delicious meals, compatible with iOS and Android platforms.